I think the Menin inhibitor containing trial are one of the most exciting and hot trials that we should watch for the next 3 years. I think for both KMT2A rearrangement and NPM1 mutated patients, and also there are rare actually AML patients who also respond to Menin inhibitor who carry rare fusions like NUP fusions. And I think the Menin inhibitor will be tried in a variety of combinations and also at the different stages of the disease and also including in maintenance use. I think this will really change the paradigm of these subsets of AML patients treatment. That's $1 million question. Obviously, there is some drugs that have some advantage of being a front runner, but I think different drugs always have different activities, and also patient can tolerate in one drug but not tolerate the other drug. So I think the more options we have from the physician perspective, it's really a good thing, and I think for the patients also a good thing. It's really hard to predict which drug has the best activity or so, but I think we will see that in the next few years.